Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add natural shadow in Canva in just 1 minute. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then open your designs. And then next, just upload the photo or elements that you want to add a shadow to. And if your image still has a background, just remove it using background remover, this one. And after that, just click on the element and go to edit like this, and then scroll down, and on the effects, just choose shadows, this one, and then just choose drop like this. And then in here, just adjust the positions and the intensity of the shadows. Just adjust it as you like, for example like this, and then you can adjust the distance like this, intensity like this. And okay, that's it. Easy, clean, and natural shadows in Canva is ready. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.